Data leaks, phishing, hacks, fines, ransomware. The risks when it comes to GDPR and cybersecurity are massive and costly. The challenge? Keeping your team engaged and informed, because no matter your training efforts, the question is not if an incident will happen, but when. Introducing Play It Secure, the solution that leverages the power of games to train your people on GDPR and cybersecurity. Our innovative microlearning simulations provide a hands-on experience of complex matters. They can train on a PC, phone, tablet, or even a VR device anywhere in the world, in convenient 5-minute blocks or more. People can train when they want, where they want, when they are engaged and choose to train, making learning not just a duty, but an engaging experience. Want to train your personnel 4 times faster and ensure they remember 30% better? Want to avoid those costly mistakes in data processing and cybersecurity breaches? Then Play It Secure is the solution for you.